Hello everyone, welcome back to Self-Learning. In this tutorial, we will build a background remover web application using Python and Streamlit. Step by step, let's get started. Open your command prompt and type Python -m venv. This command creates a virtual environment named env inside your project folder. Now, change directly to the script folder of the virtual environment cd env/script. Next, activate the virtual environment by typing activate. Now your virtual environment is activated. Let's install the required Python libraries: pip install Streamlit, rembg, PIL.UnidentifiedImageError. We were installing Streamlit to build the web app, rembg to remove image backgrounds, PIL to handle image processing, and onnxruntime to run the model. Let's create a new Python file. I will name it remove_bg_app.py. Open your favorite code editor and paste the following code. Import the necessary libraries: os for folder handling, Streamlit to create the app, PIL for image manipulation, and rembg to remove backgrounds. This line automatically creates a folder named original to save uploaded images. It won't throw an error if the folder already exists. This sets the app's title at the top of the page. This line creates a file uploader so users can upload their images. If a file is uploaded, we continue with the background removal process. Let's save the uploaded image into a folder. First, we create the path where the file will be stored using os.pod.join. This will place it inside a folder called original and keep the same file name. Then we open the path in write binary mode, that's WB, and write the uploaded file's data using getbuffer. You might wonder what is .getbuffer? It returns a memory view of the uploaded file's content. This allows us to write the full content of the file exactly as it is into a new image. We show a success message with the file path. Now, we display the uploaded image on the app. This removes the background from the image. The spinner adds a nice loading effect while the model processes the image. Now that the background has been removed, let's convert the output back into an image format. We use io.BytesIO to wrap the output data, which is in raw bytes, into a stream. This lets PIL's image.open function read it like a file. Then we use st.image function to display the result on the app. Notice the argument use_container_width equal to true. This makes the image automatically stretch to fit the width of the container on the page. It is the new preferred way instead of use_colon_width, which is now depreciated. And finally, we give the user a download button to save the transparent image. In your terminal, run this command to launch the app: Streamlit run remove_bg_app.py. Your browser will open with the app running locally, upload an image, remove its background, and download the result. It's that simple. When I first tried uploading an image, I got an error. The message said something like undefined image error, cannot identify image file. This happened because I was calling .read function on the uploaded_file more than once, and it was empty the second time. So here's how I fixed it. I created a new variable called file_bytes and move it right under the if uploaded_file block. This stores the image's binary content one time, and then I reused file_bytes everywhere it was needed. I updated this line too. Now the remove function uses file_bytes, not uploaded_file.read function. After saving that change, I rerun the Streamlit app. I uploaded the same image again, and this time it worked perfectly. The background was removed, the image was displayed, and I could download it using the download button, just like that. That's it. You have built a complete image background remover web app using Python and Streamlit. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to SufLearning, and leave a comment if you have question. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.